Here at CashCalc, we're all about building tools and features that help you and your entire financial planning process. And one of those tools that we wish to show you today is the Secure Portal. The Secure Portal by CashCalc is an online location designed to help both you and your clients securely communicate and share information with each other. So, today we're going to show you how to invite yourself to create a secure portal, and therefore experience exactly what your clients will experience when you ask them to complete, for example, a fact find. As soon as you register an account and log in for the very first time, you'll notice that you've already been added as a client. In this example, it says Example Client, Edit Date of Birth. But in your case, it might say John Smith or Jane Smith. Initially, we recommend selecting yourself and then adding a few extra details, such as your date of birth, partner or spouse, as well as your contact information. Now, as soon as that has been done, the client information page will be updated. However, as you can see, it looks pretty empty. You'll therefore want to invite your client, in this case yourself, to register for a secure portal and complete a digital fact find. You can do this by selecting the Onboard and Manage tab and Invite to Client Portal. Here, your contact information has automatically pulled through, and you can now choose what tasks you wish to be completed. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to focus on the fact find. An invite, exactly how your client will receive their portal invitation, will now be sent to your email inbox, and a two-factor authentication code will be sent to your mobile device. Once received, you'll be able to create your very own secure portal. When you log in, you'll be notified exactly what you need to do. In this case, you need to complete a fact find. But once you start to personalise your portal, you can ask your clients to complete a fact find, agree to terms of business, share secure web links, and so on. Please note, CashCalc uses bank-level encryption, which is called AES 256, which means all information entered into or shared via the portal is encrypted and confidential between client and advisor. And once you've gone through the fact find and added all of the information that you need to add, from incomes and expenses to savings and investments, you'll be able to submit all of this information. Once submitted, you'll be notified that your fact find has been completed and is ready for review. From here, you can use this information to pre-populate any of the CashCalc tools, as well as export to your back office. For more information about the Secure Portal and how to get the most out of your CashCalc account, please visit CashCalc TV or book an online demo with a member of our support team.